What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman, and today we're just going to talk about some camp gear. This gear is on a budget, so let me show you what I've got. So when you're going camping, you always need to get some mosquito head net. They're pretty good and they're quite cheap. You can get these ones. These ones are Australia. Another one is when you're doing your fire pit, you need these fire pit gloves. This is good to protect your hands in case you touch a hot plate or even the wood that's got hot fire on it. Another one is you can never get enough of steel pegs. It's good to get some steel pegs. Even for spares, sometimes they do bend, so make sure you got spare ones for when you're going camping and when you're putting your tent up. Another one is getting some guy rope. So you always need extra guy rope. That way when you're putting up your awning, you can support it so that it doesn't fly off when a big gust of wind that comes up. Also get some heavy duty poncho. These ones are pretty cheap. You can get them at Kmart, and it's just in case if it starts raining, you've got this poncho ready for you. Another essential that you need is a couple of extra poles. This can help stand up your awnings, tents, and it's pretty cheap, these ones. You can get this from Kmart, and also they're extendable as well. So there you go. And this one has these screws so that you can even put your lantern and hang it up there. And these were only $11 from Kmart. Another one that you need to get, you can get this bucket, and the foldable bucket, you can just open them up. There you go, look how big it gets. So always good to get one of these. Also get some tarp. These tarp are heavy duty and they're pretty cheap as well. I got these probably for at least $30, and they're about 3 by 4 meters. And another essential ones is bungee cord. I got this from Super Cheap Auto. This one's a 12 pack. They're very useful. You can even use them for your awning, for your tarp as well. They're very good, so you need to get these for camping. Other essential ones that you need is this one. This one's your headlamp. And you've got the red, and yeah, these are pretty bright, and it's good to get the rechargeable ones. That way you don't have to keep changing the battery, and then you can just recharge it off a USB. Also, I've got my red jumper, which is a sweatshirt, and it's the new merchandise that we have. And this one has my 4-wheel drive, and it's got 4x4 Jumpman, and it's got some Japanese characters as well. That one stands for Jumpman, and this is quite warm and it's good for winter. These are available online on our store, so you should get these ones. They're pretty good. Also, we've got our stubby holder, and it's got my 4-wheel drive in there, and it's got 4x4 Jumpman. And these are pretty good because you've got this bit here which you can easily pull out when you finish with drinking out of a can or a bottle. You can just pull that out easily. Sometimes it's pretty hard to kind of twist and turn when there's nothing to hold on to underneath. So these are pretty good, and once you finish with them, they can go pretty flat, and then you can just place them in the back of your pocket. And so you can always bring these when you're going to parties, when you're going out drinks with your mate. You got one handy. You can even put either your phone on there as well, and then put it in your pocket. Also, I've got this lifetime foldable table, and they're quite good. They fold pretty well, and it's got adjustable height as well, and they're only 1.2 meters, and then they fold in half, and you can actually carry them as well, so they're pretty light. So another one that's good to get is get your peg mullet. This one was, I think, only $6 from Kmart, and down here underneath you can actually use that to pull the peg. So you can just grab that, pull that out, and you're good to go. That one's pretty good. And then this one's pretty good too. It's a telescopic roasting fork. You can use this for your marshmallow. They extend pretty far as well. And you can just use that on your campfire, and it's good for your marshmallows. They're only $2. And then you can also get these cabinet, and they're screw-ons, and they lock as well. So when you need to lock them, you can lock them, and you can pull them out. So they're quite good. And these was only $2 as well. So they're pretty good. Okay, so another good camping gear to get is this portable grill. So this portable grill, you can use it as either a barbecue, or you can even use it as a fire pit. So I used this last time as a fire pit, and just there you can actually just fold it, and it's pretty small and compact as well. And it's quite light too, so once you open it, you just fold it, and they're pretty great. Another one that you can get, say there's no fire pit to where you're camping and you need something compact to cook your food, it's good to get the portable gas stove. So it's pretty good. So this one's from Camp Master, and all you need to do is use the butane can, and I've been using this when there's no fire pit to cook my food. So I hope you find something useful or something to buy with these camping gears that I've shown you. I've also got this barbecue steel skewers. They're pretty good. You can just put your meat, your veggies, your corn in there, and they're pretty sharp as well. And this is a good one to get, and I got this pretty cheap as well from Kmart. So guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and also comment below on what camping gear you want to buy or get, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.